Welcome dear children to e-learning classes. Hope you all find and enjoying your classes. Today we'll start lesson number 4, that is Bhudan means land donation. Leadership helps in organizing various activities in the life. It is a great gift. All of us serve as leaders in some field of life. We must pay attention to developing good leadership skill. Children, you must have heard about Vinoba Bhave. He was a great Indian leader. He wanted to help the landless farmers of India. Landless means the farmers who are not having their own land. They work in others' farm. So what was his dream? His dream was that all the farmers of India should have their own piece of land. Okay. So it was his dream that every farmer in India should have his own small patch of land which he could call his own and on which he could grow food for his family. He found a brilliant way to fulfill his dream. He did it through donations. People donated money, food, clothes, but Vinoba Bhave asked the people for donation of land. He walked for hundreds of miles requesting rich landowners to give away some of their lands to the poor families. So he used to collect what? Donation, land as donation, and then he used to give it to the poor farmer. Seeing the sincerity of Vinoba Bhave, the rich landowners realized that he was not doing this to become rich himself. Now what happens when people start collecting land or donation? They want to become rich themselves. But what Vinoba Bhave wanted? He wanted that the people of India, the farmers, should have their own piece of land. So people came to realize that he was a genuine person. He was genuinely interested in reforming the society and bringing a pleasant change in the life of the poor farmers. Thus, the poor farmers started growing crops for their families and thus their life changed and became more happy. Most of them gladly donated some of their land. As time passed, more and more people came to hear about Vinoba Bhave and his Bhudan, that is, donation of land movement. Soon there was a group formed which worked with Vinoba Bhave. They formed a team under his leadership. The group went from village to village collecting land for the poor. Thus, under Vinoba Bhave's leadership, millions of acres of land were gifted to poor farmers and their families. Vinoba Bhave was truly a great leader because he was willing to take on responsibilities. He was a great organizer too. He genuinely liked people and enjoyed working with them. A good leader is always open to new ideas. A good leader always wants to do better things and has full confidence in his abilities. Suppose Vinoba Bhave had thought it will not work. Why would people agree to give away their land? Then there would have been no Bhudan movement. Now dear children, in this chapter we learned about Vinoba Bhave. He was an Indian advocate of non-violence and human rights, often called as Acharya. He is best known for the Bhudan movements, that is, Bhu means land and Dan means donate, land donate. He had the leadership quality. He was honest, hardworking, good communicator. He had confidence in whatever he is doing. He was committed to his work. He had positive attitude with new ideas and creativity, and he inspired many people. Hope dear children, you all have understood it. Thank you for watching the video.